What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your volume go past max. So if you're like me and you love listening to music on your phone, the loudest setting of the volume is not really loud enough in my personal opinion. So you're going to want to go into settings, scroll down to music, scroll down to EQ. I already have mine on late night. Typically yours would be off if you've never done this before. Late night is definitely the way to go, in my opinion. It sounds the best to me, but it's all personal preference. At the end of the day, it's your phone. You can do whatever you want. Any EQ is better than not having an EQ at all. The EQ just enhances the music and makes it sound better overall. So even if you don't want to use late night, you might as well put an EQ on and it will just make your music sound better. Now there's about, 20 options or so. Pick whichever one you want to use, but you will not find another EQ louder than late night. And that is basically how to make the volume significantly louder on your iPhone. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one.